speed reading practice. How your subconscious removes mental blocks. What can you do if you are faced with a difficult situation and you cannot see the way out? The solution lies within the problem. Every question implies its own answer. The infinite intelligence within your subconscious mind knows and sees all. It has the answer and is revealing it to you now. But you must listen. You must follow the urgings of your subconscious mind and perfect confidence. Once you achieve this new mental attitude, that the creative intelligence within you is bringing about a happy solution, you will find the answer you seek. Rest assured that such a attitude of mind will bring order, peace, and meaning of all your undertakings. How to break or build a habit? We are all creatures of habit. Habit is a function of our subconscious minds. We learn to swim, ride a bicycle, dance, and drive a car by consciously doing these things over and over again until they established tracks in our subconscious minds. Then the automatic habit action of the subconscious mind took over. This is sometimes referred to as second nature. That is the reaction of the subconscious mind to the rethinking and acting that makes up our first nature. If we create our own habits, it follows that we are free to choose good habits and bad habits. If you repeat a negative thought or act over a period of time, you will place yourself under the compulsion of a habit. The law of your subconscious is compulsion. How to break a bad habit? When Bob J came to me, he was close to despair. I have lost my job, my wife, and my family to drink. He told me, my wife won't even speak to me on the phone. She won't let me see our daughter. I don't know where to turn. Have you tried to stop drinking? I asked. Of course I have, he said. Lots of time. And I have stopped too for a little while. Then I get an uncontrollable urge, and the next thing I know, I am coming off a 2 week bender. It's terrible. Time and again, these experiences had occurred to this unfortunate man. He realized that being drinking had a bad habit. It has become a habit, and he saw that he had to change the habit and establish a new one. However, he continued efforts to suppress his cravings, made matters only worse. He repeated failures convinced him that he was hopeless and powerless to control his urge or obsession. This idea of being powerless operated as a tremendous suggestion to his subconscious mind and aggravated his weakness, making his life a succession of failure. I taught him to harmonize the functions of conscious and subconscious mind. When these two cooperate, the idea of desire implanted in the subconscious mind is realized. His reasoning mind agreed that the old habit path of track had carried him into trouble. He could consciously form a new path to freedom, sobriety, and peace of mind. He knew that while his destructive habit had become automatic, he had acquired it through his conscious choice. He realized that if he had been conditioned negatively, he also would be conditioned positively. As a result, he stopped thinking that he has powerless to overcome that habit. He achieved a clear understanding that there was no obstacle to his healing other than his own thought. Therefore, there was no occasion for great mental effort or mental coercion. I am stopping here at this point today. I am GS Anand. I am a mechanical engineer turned digital recruiterpreneur signing off. Thank you. Bye.